Marielle, Mom and a Girl with Plans, and I am planning in my planner for the week of May 24th through the 30th in my mini dashboard. And look at this, you guys. It is the ROYGBIV Boxes and Florals by Heather, Kellofaplan, Volume 2. So I'm really excited to use this. And I mean, come on. ROYGBIV washi. Here, let me take it off this so you can see. Look at this floral washi. It is so pretty. I'm so excited to use this. I can't even decide which one I want to use first. I mean, there's so many great colors in here, but I think, oh, the yellows, the pinks, I love it. I think I'm going to go for this one. I just really love the way this is drawn, like the paint on there. So I think I'm going to use this. And, you know, whenever I'm in a hurry planning, using kits is like my go-to way to get things done. So I am going to, I'm actually going to just white out. Let me do this really quick. I'm going to white out errands. I'll do these little dots. I don't even know that it would show, but I'm just going to go for it. And then the calls and the bills. I don't normally do like all of this. I usually just start covering, but since these are clear, I think I want to start there. I'm going to go ahead and do the to buy because I know I'm going to make it a to do. I always do, right? Okay. I mean, I could really change it up and cover all of it. No. I'm like, no, Marielle, don't get crazy. All right. I love that these are big pieces that like are ready to go. So I'm going to pull this big sticker off and see if I can manage to put this down. Okay. We all know I am sticker straight challenge, whatever you call that. Like I cannot put things on straight. So do I want to put it, I think I'm going to put it down here. Oh my gosh, why am I so nervous? Okay, I can do it. You can do it. Okay. And then I'm just going to go for it. Ta-da! Look at that. I mean, it covered up some of this, but I can still write because my pen does write on stickers, so not worried about that. Ooh, it's so pretty. And that's what I love is it makes this so simple and easy to plan. And I'm going to go ahead and cover this. Whoop. And I think I'm just going to put a floral. Yeah, I'm going to cut it though first. And I'm going to try to guess, like, I think I'm going to do this. Just cut it. Alrighty. So I've got that little piece saved. And I'm just going to do it right here. Okay. And then I will cut this off. Oh my gosh, it's almost June. All right, so I've got this. Whoa. Okay, I like it. I like it. See, I mean, it's like pretty much almost done now. All right, I'm going to go grab like a quote or something for here. Okay, I grabbed this one out. This was her lettered planner words. And I found like there's tons of words and colors. And I think what I want to do is pop the yellow out of this. So I'm going to use this Get It Done for my to-do list right there. I kind of put that on crooked. It's okay. All right. And then let's see. I want to use a box. There's boxes in, oh, that's so pretty. Look at that. Oh, I love it. Okay. That might have to make an appearance somewhere. Hold on. And let me go back. Okay, there's pretty boxes. I'm wondering if I should use the one with the floral or if I should use a solid. Let's see. Let's take a look. I mean, you can never have too many, right? Don't you think it's okay? Let's look at what it looks like with the other one. Well, hold on. I've got ideas, yo, ideas. Okay, what if I did 2 boxes? What if I did, that way it's like, I've got both bases covered, right? So I can do this. Look, there's a line. Do you think I can put it on straight? You know, that's straight enough. Okay, it's close enough. I think I'm gonna do that. Yeah. There. Okay. And then I wanted to use, where'd I put that book? Let me get, there was like, what could I put? Adulting. I'm trying to find one. Oh, maybe I should use important, or just how about remember? I know there was remember somewhere in here. I will find it. Reminder, here we go. And again, I could use the green. The green matches also, but I think I want to use this yellow and just kind of go like that. Yep. Okay. And then all these fun things I'm gonna get to do more of. I'm excited. Okay, let's see. There is, I know I just saw some that were kind of generic. Where'd they go? These. I think I'm gonna use this happy over here to also put that yellow and her pretty lettering on this side as well. And I'll put it right there. That way it really shows. Yes. Oh, I like it. Okay. So now let's look at this washi. Oh, it's so pretty. I might want to layer it with like a black and white. Look at that, so that it pops out a little more. Let's see what I've got on my desk. I'm just trying, I could do stripes and florals like Heather. I could do that. I could do this grid that I've got next to me. Oh, this is tough. I don't know. Maybe, let me try. I can try it, right? Let's just take a look. So what if I did something like this? I'm gonna have to trim it a little more. There we go. Oh, I'm already liking it. And then I can tear hers also. I always am like, oh, don't tear too much because it's so good. I don't want to like waste little bits. All right. Do I do it layered like this or right? No, that's not. Let's see. I'm going to cut it so I don't tear too big of a chunk off. Oh, I shouldn't have done it that way. Oh, well, it's okay. It's okay. I want to make sure I save the most florals possible. Okay, and then I might do, well, wait, I'm going to put some boxes in what I've got going on this week. So let's see, I've got, move this over. I think we've got meeting on Monday. That's kind of a big deal. And let's see, meetings Friday. Okay. And then I'm going to use some of these bullets. And I'm only using the kind of celadon green, the roll. Is that what you call that? I don't even know. Seafoam green? Mint green? I don't know. Of course, the dark green matches, but I'm keeping it really kind of mono color. Just one focus. I've got the focus of the yellow and then this green, and that is it. So I guess that's dual. Two colors. All right. And, oh, Wednesday is the happy hangout, so I definitely want to be sure to put something there as well. Special. I'm putting a dot on each weekend. I mean, I know I've got more than one, but at least I'll have kind of like a space for it. I'm like, I need another green box. I'm gonna need to get another set of these. These are so cool. Okay. So let me think of a way that I can, oh, it might be fun to use some of the washi again and kind of put a special note, kind of like a little, you know, accent here in the corner. Let's see if this works. It may not. We're just gonna try. Won't know until I try, right? Okay, so let's see. I'm just gonna put that there. And then we can cut the edge off. There we go. I think I just cut part of the planner. It's okay. It's okay. I just went like in. Oh, Mario. Okay. And then I want to do, where's that pretty flower that I saw? I might just do a smaller one, like right here. Oh, I've got this extra piece as well. So look, I've got this left over. Now I could add it here. You know what? That might be kind of good. Okay, I know it's not the exact same color of green that's going on here, but I almost feel like nobody's gonna know. Like if I did this, is this weird? But like it almost, because that was a straight edge, it finishes off this side of the page. I think it's good. Will people know? Maybe. Do I care? Not at all. Not at all. Okay, there we go. I cut that. Okay. I don't know. I just feel like it kind of finishes it off over there. It kind of goes up. Okay, so I've got that. And now I can grab one of these cute little ones. Let's see. I'm like grabbing. When they're clear, it's like hard to see where the edge is. I'm like, where is it? There it is. I think I just want to put it down here because if I mean, I could do this, but it almost feels like I'm like, boom, boom. I don't know. I'll just change it up and put it like here. There. That way I don't take up all of Sunday. You guys, it's so pretty. Okay. I think that's good. I mean, like, look how quick that was. I mean, I think the longest thing I did was go through this one to find words that match. But when you know, just grabbed all the ones off that page and I really like it. I mean, I could even highlight some of that yellow if I wanted. Let's see. I know they're different florals, but the yellow kind of makes that. I just love those flowers pop. I mean, it might be kind of fun. Let's just look. It's like, Mario, just be done. Can't you just be done? No, 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 no. I keep adding things. I know it's a problem. Okay. I might not like it with it because I just love the colors the way that they are, but let's just see what this would look like. I feel like it's just too bright, so I'm going to take it off. I will use that when I use the pretty yellow florals. I'd love to, maybe I should do just a fun one with all of these. Ooh, I've got an idea. Look, see, now I've got an idea. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. And if you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. And I will put a link to these items. They are going to be on Heather's Kellofaplan website on Friday, so be sure to check them out. Again, I'm just obsessed with the way that these florals are done with this pretty paint look. I don't know if you can see that on camera. I'm going to get closer, but oh, I love those. And I would also love it if you would hit that like, subscribe, and follow reminder so that you can get notifications when I post new videos. Thanks so much for watching and have a wonderful week ahead.